By the end of this video, I'm gonna hand you the brutal checklist to find out if you're actually investing or just gambling with a suit on. Because let's be real, most people aren't building wealth. They're just rolling dice and calling it long term. So, if you've ever caught yourself saying, "Bro, this stock is about to explode, it's easy money," stick around. We're about to flip your entire money mindset upside down. See, I like to call it financial cosplay. You're dressed up as an investor, talking about portfolios, maybe even using words like PE ratios. But deep down, you're just chasing dopamine. Think of that friend who says, "Bro, it's pumping. Get in now or you'll miss it." Meanwhile, he's checking his Robinhood app 25 times a day, sweating every red candle, and eating microwave noodles because he blew half his rent on a meme stock. Congrats! That's not investing. Rule number 1, don't bet on what you can't explain. This is the first point I want tattooed on your brain. If you can't pitch me in 30 seconds why you own something, you don't own it. It owns you. Ask yourself, could you look a billionaire in the eye and explain why you bought that stock or coin without saying, because my friend said it'll moon? If not, your portfolio is basically just a slot machine. Smart investors look for asymmetric opportunities. That means limited downside, big upside, based on actual fundamentals. Gamblers? They look for hype. They say things like, "Bro, it's only 3 cents. Imagine if it hits $1. That's not asymmetric investing. That's lottery math. Meet Brian. Drives a leased BMW, flexes his Rolex on Insta, and is always bragging about the next Amazon. Meanwhile, he's living paycheck to paycheck, one market dip away from selling his watch on Facebook Marketplace. Then there's Sarah. She drives a 2011 Honda. Couldn't care less about designer anything. Her portfolio? Loaded with boring dividend stocks and a couple rental duplexes. She doesn't talk money. Her bank account does. One-liner to tattoo on your brain. Investors build foundations. Gamblers chase fireworks. Rule number 2, never invest with rent money. Here's the deal. If your bills depend on your trades, you're not investing, you're praying. Investing is done with money you can afford to leave untouched for years. Gambling is when your landlord's basically a shareholder in your crypto bag. Rule number 3, the FOMO test. Simple gut check. If your main reason to buy is, "I don't want to miss out," then congrats. You're the exit liquidity for someone else's strategy. Remember, the loudest people screaming, "To the moon," usually end up digging their own financial grave. Start by moving just 10% of your income into something boring and proven. Could be an index fund, a simple rental property, or even a cash-flowing vending machine route. Watch how your need to chase hype fades when your money starts working quietly for you. I know a guy named Jake, wears Old Navy shirts, drives a dented Ford, never once posted a gain screenshot. Turns out, he owns a string of laundromats that net more per month than most influencers flexing rented Lambos. His philosophy? If I can't buy it twice in cash, I don't buy it once. Easy money is the devil's bait. Discipline is the real flex. Final rule. If your crew spends Friday nights chasing bottle service and Monday mornings crying about rent, guess what? You're next. Wealth is contagious. So is financial dysfunction. Hang around people who think a tax return is free money to blow, and you'll be broke together. But hang with people who obsess over compound interest, tax shelters, and passive income. You'll quietly build wealth without ever needing to post about it. Silence isn't weakness. It's wealth on mute.